All right, welcome again to AfriOne Life. If you've not registered, please, I want to encourage you to use these three platforms that are available. Number one, our official website, which is known as AfriOne.Africa. You'll find a chat button by the side, and you just click that very particular chat button. And if you're a new user, you just click new user, or probably if you're an existing user, you click existing user, you put your unique ID, you put your password, and you put your PIN number. These three things are literally part of the security measures we've put in place just to make sure that your AfriOne Life is secure. And please do me a favor if you're watching this, because we're going to be talking about legal just now. None of the AfriOne staff will call you and ask you for these two things. We will not ask you for your PIN. We will not ask you for your password. But obviously, we'll ask you for your unique ID, because that is what we are going to use to check your account and also to know, also probably to trace conversation. But you see your PIN and your password, we will not ask you. If you find any of the AfriOne staff asking you for your PIN and your password, please just know that they are not part of us. And also, on the legal side, I'm going to be talking about, please and please, when you're going to use this very particular service, anyone who is going to represent you for legal, there is some certain code and ethics that you will literally be demanding from those legal people. They would have to produce it, including a badge. There's a badge of authentication that literally governs those very particular legal guys who are coming to represent you, either in your case or probably in the courts or whatever. That also includes that of medical, it also includes that of finance, and also include that of healthcare. They have to come with a badge. I think also another one again is security. They have a badge that is unique to the AfriOne ecosystem. If none of those things is provided and they tell you, no, I forget my badge, please and please, those are not AfriOne staff or probably AfriOne partners. So with that being said, now let's go to the legal side of things. Legal side is number 18. So I'm going to click legal. Boom. It's open. Now on legal, we literally have almost more than 24 sub-menus. And I'm going to try to just run through those 24 sub-menus. And before I do that, please hear me. If you're a legal practitioner, you own a legal firm, funny enough, behind the scene, we're just cracking jokes with Dino Meleye right now. So if you own a firm like Dino Meleye, or probably, there's a lot of firms out there. But Dino just stays in my head at the moment. Mr. Dino, if you're watching me, just know that we've just gossiped you right now. And you know me, I'm a show host, I'm a journalist, we can talk. So, but let's say you own a law firm and you want to literally list your law firm on the AfriOne PMS, you can literally come here. On the 24th number here, it says become a legal provider. So you can be a legal provider as an individual, you can literally become a legal provider as an entity, whichever one that you prefer. So you don't have to own a company for you to be a provider within the legal space of things on this very particular system that we have currently built. And so quickly, some of the menus you will find, you will see lawyers and practitioners, you will see law firm and chambers, you will see property and real estate law, contract agreements. Maybe you're very good at drafting contracts. We need you. Business and corporate laws, you're very good at that. Tax compliances. Hear me, very soon now in the Nigerian ecosystem of things, this tax thing is coming to bite us one day. It's coming in fact, as a matter of fact, I'm not a prophet, but if you're watching this literally now, come October, come November, our finances are going to be messed up. Everybody, including me, because whatever these guys are planning, it's not making sense. I have studied the tax compliance and everything. It's giving me headache. I've called my accountant, guys, like this thing is making, even they too say they don't know, that they only have clarity from July. We're in July now. But please, if you know that you need a tax compliance, you need to be able to find yourself on the AfriOne Life. We also have litigations and disputes, mediations and arbitrations, family law and personal law, will and estate. Nigeria, if you don't like will, you better write your will, even though you have just one child, right? Every of my thing, including my pen and my phone, belongs to my child. Please do that. Otherwise, one uncle somewhere, it's only in Nigeria, I've been hearing this uncle came in, chased the wife, chased everybody. I'm like, what the hell? Was that no will? Fathers, please protect your family by having a will. Mother, protect your family by having a will. Children, protect yourself by also having a will. If you know that you're earning a salary and you have been incorporated into the pension system of your country, go get a lawyer. Come to AfriOne Life. Look for will and estate planning people. Let them write a will for you. Even though it's just this phone that you have, you can literally write a will for it. If I close my eye today, let my phone be given to my mother or to my father or to my whatever, or to your dog. But write something down. Please, Nigerians, write something down. This thing is causing contractions and pain as far as Nigeria is concerned. So you can also find immigrations and diaspora law, labor and employment, criminal law, cyber law and digital rights, intellectual property law, environment and energy law, constructions law, banking and finance law, marine and aviation law, obviously healthcare and medical law. You can also chat with a lawyer. And also, one of the things that we provide on number 22 is the fact that we have what we call the legal document vault, which means all your documents as an AfriOne Life person using this place, you can literally put your document on our vault and it is secure. Only you knows. Funny enough, on this vault here, this is the thing. When you find a vault on any of the system that you are operating, it means that after you have incorporated your unique ID, you put your unique ID, your password and your PIN, it will now demand you for you to create a PIN to access the vault. So none of the staff or even the admin people knows that PIN of the vault except the person you tell outside to say, no, go to AfriOne Life and go to what you call legal and document vault. This is my PIN. Put all of this first stuff. This one, it will ask you this PIN. If you can't put it, they will not give you. That's how much literally when it comes to security. And also you can literally be able to become a provider like we're talking about. All of these that you are seeing, it's calling on you for you to join us on the AfriOne Legal Service session. And we're looking forward for you. Maybe you're a legal provider. Please and please. Currently now we have a couple of guys who are popping in who wants to do business in Nigeria. Literally they're looking for legal law. The reason why Google is not working is because a lot of people are in that very particular space who are taking chances. And one thing with us as AfriOne Life, and that's why this very particular platform was created, or this ecosystem, is just to make sure that we have verified and legal people who are on our system. We try everything within our possible best with our ombuds team and the legal providers, and also with the security clusters to make sure that every providers are verified. For example, one of the things will be required if you want to become a legal provider, your legal license will be required, which means when you give us your legal license and stuff, we will take it to the what you call industry corporate body to verify that indeed you did go to law school and your law certificate has not been revoked. Because sometimes we find that some people may want to come on the platform because they're trying to take chances or boycott, and your legal certificate has literally been revoked simply because you find yourself in one crime or the other. So because of that, family, hear me. You can use AfriOne Life and access the legal services and literally just make life become easy for you. You don't have to now start searching everywhere for you to find, oh, which legal person can I get? And these lawyers are too expensive, blah, blah, blah. With AfriOne Life, literally, depending on the tokens that you have, or probably depending on the points that you have accrued on the system, you can literally book a legal advisors for free by just paying your monthly subscription. What else again do you want? Join the AfriOne Life by using the numbers, that is available, which starts with +44, or probably the Telegram account, which is at AfriOne PMS, no, at AfriOne Life BOT. I repeat, at AfriOne Life BOT. The life is spelled L-I-F-E, life of a human, not live broadcast. So it's AfriOne Life BOT. Literally, it's on the screen now. So literally just go on your Telegram. I'm currently using Telegram to do what I'm doing now. Do you see how easy it is? I advise you use Telegram. But if you don't know how to use Telegram, you can also just use the WhatsApp number that is available, and boom, you're on WhatsApp. All right, family, this is where I'm going to stop on all things when it comes to legal services, and I'll see you on the next production. Please and please register. Get your family to register. Get your loved ones to register. And also get your enemy to register. You know why? They are your enemies. They are not my enemy. Get them to register. Bye for now.